You should not try to understand color by itself, but as a necessary solution to your concept in a specific composition. Although there is no right or wrong way to manage color, there are fundamentals to help you achieve better results. From the moment you start putting colors on canvas, you should see how the colors relate to each other. To achieve harmony of colors in a painting, you must work with a scheme that pleases our eyes and that includes warm and cool colors. The scheme you choose must relate to your concept. You don't have to let the colors of the model, landscape, or still life dictate what colors to use in your painting. These can be used as a reference to select your color scheme. The scheme must be a simple one that includes analogous colors next to each other on the color wheel that dominate the painting, and some complementary color opposite on the color wheel subordinate to the dominant ones. The area that the dark values occupy should not be equal to the area that the light values occupy the canvas, following the hierarchy principle. Likewise, the dominant analogous colors should occupy a greater area of the painting than the subordinate complementary colors. In other words, your painting should be mostly warm or mostly cool. For example, if the dominant analog colors are warm, like these orange, yellowish orange, and yellow hues, the complementary color could be this blue-violet, which is cool. The blue-violet hue would occupy a smaller area on the canvas than the dominant analog colors. In this example, the dominant hues are the bluish violet, violet, and reddish violet, which are cool, while the complementary hue is yellow, which is warm. As you can see from these schemes, the complementary color does not always have to be directly opposite the central dominant analog colors on the color wheel. It is enough that it is opposite in temperature to one of the dominant color. The dominant colors could be 4 instead of 3, like those ranging from reddish violet to orange. Notice that the red color is present in each of them. In this case, the complementary could be either blue or green, which are cool colors. Now let's see the following color scheme applied to a specific painting. Notice the face and shirt in this painting. They are dominated by reddish and violet red analog hues, which are warm, while part of the face and the background shows a yellowish green, which is cool, complementary, and subordinated to the dominant hues. In this face, it is evident that the family of red and orange colors of the shown scheme dominates, while green is subordinated. In this group of teenagers, there is a scheme of several warm reddish dominant hues and a subordinated blue. Find the color scheme that you like and try to create a design into your concept.